Welcome to the Broward College Nursing Information Session. Nursing is a challenging but rewarding profession that offers plenty of opportunities to make a difference in people's lives. But nursing is not just about taking care of people. It is a way to protect, promote, and optimize health through diagnosis and treatment planning for human response in individuals, families, and community populations. Nurses must be able to think critically and make quick decisions to provide the best possible care for their patients. They should also be physically fit, as they often have to lift and move patients. They also need to be able to handle the emotional stress that comes with caring for sick and injured patients, as well as be ready to work long hours, as they often have to work nights, weekends, and holidays. The nursing profession is constantly evolving. Nurses must be able to keep up with new medical advancements and treatments to provide the best possible care for patients. In addition, nurses must be prepared to respond to changes in the healthcare system, such as implementing new technology. As future healthcare professionals, nursing students are held to a higher standard of conduct. Please ensure that you have read and understand the Broward College Student Handbook to be familiar with the following expectations: lab etiquette and attendance, electronic devices, physical, flu shot and vaccinations, criminal background checks, drug screenings, and body art. You can also scan the QR code shown here that's linked directly to the expectations in the Broward College Nursing Manual. To be eligible to apply to the Broward College Nursing Program, students must have the following: a GPA of 2.5 or higher in English composition, Anatomy and Physiology 1 and Lab, Anatomy and Physiology 2 and Lab, have an overall GPA of 2.0, also a general education math course. While college algebra is the recommended math course, we will accept an equivalent or higher math course to apply if you do not have it. The grade is not calculated in the program admission GPA, but you must have earned a C or better. Additionally, microbiology and lab is also a required course. Again, the grade is not calculated in the GPA for admission, but you must have earned a C or better to apply. Students must have also completed the following general education courses: chemistry for health sciences, which is typically a prerequisite to microbiology and lab. However, it's not required if you've already completed a microbiology and lab course. A humanities with a writing credit, as well as a social behavioral science or Florida civic literacy course. If you believe that you have completed the equivalent of these courses at a prior college or university, please be prepared to provide a copy of the syllabus from the term that you completed the course to your assigned advisor for review. It is strongly advised that students work with their assigned advisor to determine their application eligibility. Effective fall 2022 and beyond, students who plan to graduate from the AS nursing degree must demonstrate competency in civic literacy by successfully completing a specified course or examination. The two course options are AMH 2020, or History of the U.S. since 1877, or POS 2041, which is a national government course. Either course must be completed with a passing grade of C or better. These courses are designed to prepare you for success on the FCL exam. If you have already completed one of these two courses, then you will only need to sit for the FCL exam to satisfy the requirement. Several testing options are available to students to meet this requirement. However, only the FCL exam option can be taken locally in a campus testing and assessment center. Here's a sample plan to complete your AS Nursing prerequisite courses under the Navigator Pre-Nursing 2135A program. It is strongly advised that you work with your advisor to customize a plan that works to support your success in these courses. HESI stands for Health Education Systems, Inc. Admissions Assessment. This tests to see if you have the cognitive skills and knowledge you need to succeed in a healthcare education program. The Broward College nursing program requires minimum test scores of 80 in all 5 sections to apply. The Broward College HESI testing information can be found by scanning the QR code on your screen. If you do not pass all the sections on your first attempt, you're required to retake only the sections that you missed. Effective June 28, 2022, there are no limits on test attempts and no waiting period between attempts. However, tutoring and assistance is strongly recommended for best results. Test prep resources are available on the HESI testing page that can be accessed from the QR code shown. Broward College offers a full-time, a part-time, and an LPN to RN program. The full-time program offers 2 courses every 8 weeks for 5 full terms. This option starts every term at the Central, North, and South campuses. The part-time program offers 2 courses every 12 to 16 weeks for 10 full terms. This option is only typically available in the spring term at the North Campus. However, it's important that you check the website for program availability. The full-time LPN to RN transition nursing program option requires a current unrestricted Florida practical nurse license without public complaint. This program offers 2 courses every 8 weeks for 5 full terms. Here is a sample schedule for the first term of a fall or spring full-time program. The fall and spring terms are 16 weeks long. The pharmacology course is the full 16 weeks, while the nursing process 1 and process 2 courses last 8 weeks each. The theory and lecture courses may be scheduled any day of the week, morning and/or afternoon. Clinical rotations are 12-hour shifts and may also be scheduled any day of the week, including Saturdays and Sundays. Classes cannot be scheduled to accommodate individual work or childcare schedules. So please note that these times only reflect time spent in class and that additional study time is required for best results. Here is a sample schedule for the summer first term of the full-time program. The summer term is 12 weeks long. The pharmacology course is the full 12 weeks, while the nursing process 1 and process 2 courses last 6 weeks each. Again, theory and lecture courses may be scheduled any day of the week, morning or afternoon, and the 12-hour clinical rotation shifts may be scheduled any day of the week, including Saturdays and Sundays. Please plan accordingly with your support system to ensure your success in the program, as classes cannot be scheduled to accommodate individual or work or childcare schedules. The generic part-time program schedule includes 2 courses for session 1, which is 12 or 16 weeks, for the duration of 10 full semesters. Theory classes will be offered 1 night per week from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m., and clinical courses will be held on a weekend day. The pharmacology course may be held any day of the week, 6 p.m. to 7:55, followed by math from 8 p.m. to 9:55. The part-time program is only offered once per year, so please check the nursing website for program availability. The LPN to RN program is only offered once a year during the summer term and alternates to a different campus each year. The program is for students who have worked at least 1 year as an LPN. The location for the upcoming summer cohort is typically announced in the prior December. All admission requirements, including the HESI entrance exam, must be in place by the projected application deadline of March 18th. International transcripts for consideration must be translated and commercially evaluated to be reviewed for potential transfer credit. However, students who are educated outside of the U.S. as a nurse and wish to challenge the NCLEX exam must submit records of their commercial evaluation directly to the Florida Board of Nursing for review. Students with previous nursing credits are eligible candidates and welcome to apply to the AS in nursing. However, the program only considers general education courses for potential transfer credit. Students with prior degrees must have all transcripts submitted and evaluated before the close of the application window. The directions to submit your transcripts are shown on the next slide, but note that all transfer credits are subject to evaluation based on the validity and accreditation of the prior institution. To expedite registration, advising may review unofficial transcripts, but students are responsible to submit all official transcripts to the college for an official assessment. Students can submit official transcripts in three main ways. You can bring the sealed copy of your transcript to the campus admission office closest to you during the hours shown. For fastest service, please request that your school send the transcript electronically to the email shown. You can also have a hard copy mailed directly to the Broward College Registrar's Office shown below. The Broward College Nursing Program is a limited access program. This means that students must submit both a general Broward College application and a limited access health science application directly to the nursing program during the specified application windows. The application windows for each program are shown here and are listed also under the nursing admission criteria on the health science admission website. Please review carefully to apply to your desired program option of either full-time, part-time, or LPN to RN program. The limited access application can only be submitted online via our web portal. Students should schedule an appointment with their assigned advisor to review eligibility before applying to the nursing program, as there is a non-refundable $20 application fee assessed for this application. Generally, selections are made within 30 business days from the closing deadline of the application window. Students should remember to keep a close eye on their Broward College student email for updates from the Health Science Admission Office. Please note that there is no waiting list for the nursing program. Upon acceptance, registration at a specific campus is first come, first served. The Health Science Admission team will provide details for the registration window. Students are responsible to select the campus that is most convenient for them and should register at the campus where they plan to complete their entire program. Students who are completing pre-admission courses should be listed under the AS Navigator Pre-Nursing Degree Track, or 2135A. Once you accept your seat into the nursing program, the Health Science Admission team will officially change your major to nursing. You will receive a date to attend a pre-admission session to learn more about the background check, fingerprints, physical and vaccinations, and other health screenings required before your courses start, as well as your intended registration date. Once these documents are submitted, students will attend a program orientation where you will learn more about your schedule, support, and expectations for being successful in the program. Here are the steps to apply. Ensure that you have submitted a Broward College general application under the AS Navigator Pre-Nursing Degree Program, or 2135A. Make sure you prepare adequately to take the HESI exam, and you can scan the QR code for HESI testing resources. Once you schedule your test, note that it will take time to update the scores on your student record. So plan with enough time before the close of your application window. Once your HESI scores are in, you can complete and submit the limited access health science application directly to the nursing program during the application window that works best for you. You can check the limited access application status section of your MyBC and your MyBC student email for updates. Once you complete your AS nursing degree and pass your NCLEX board exams to become an RN, you will be eligible to apply to the Broward College RN to BSN program. With hospitals looking to fill supervisory positions, nurses with their Bachelors of Science in Nursing are in high demand. Professional nurses can complete the degree within 3 semesters or 12 to 18 months at Broward College. Here are some benefits of pursuing an BSN degree. Opportunity for advancement into leadership and/or administrative positions, increased earning potential, additional critical thinking and other skills required to take with you on a global scale, expanded knowledge base for serving diverse communities, an understanding of emerging global trends within the field, and advanced techniques for assessing patient health. Still have questions? The nursing department hosts live information sessions to provide answers to questions not answered by this presentation. Please scan the QR code shown to register for the next available live session. If you have a Broward College student ID, you can also speak with a health science advisor during virtual walk-in hours each Tuesday and Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. using your cell phone and your Broward College student ID. We look forward to helping you get started, and we thank you for choosing Broward College.